Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today we are gonna react to a new song from Looney, no? I guess this is with Apex, Ron Henley, and I'm afraid I don't know this other guy. I'm sorry. What is his name? Dank Puffs. So we have Dank Puffs. I mean, this is the first time that I'm gonna listen to Dank Puffs, no? So, kung may mga fan ni Dank Puffs, is a reaction natin. I do want to apologize. This is the first time that I'm gonna listen to him. So, yeah. Kush. I mean, Paskong Pasko, no? I mean, katapos lang. Pero nilabas yata ng Pasko, no? I mean, magpapasko. Basically, it's December 24 na nilabas tong kantang to. Or in-upload ni Looney's channel niya. Yeah. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'm really excited with this, man. And nilabas talaga sa channel ni Looney, no? Damn. Well, without further ado, man, let's fucking go.
Fresh off the plane, California, Mary Jane. Roll it up tight, best strange in my brain.
This is Dank Puffs. Okay.
For the woman, we the weather. Dr. Dre put it together. Now I'm thriller in Manila, and I made it with my niggas. Take a picture right now. Jane, roll it up tight, best strange in my brain. For the woman, we the weather. Dr. Dre put it together. Now I'm thriller in Manila, and I made it with my niggas. Take a picture right now. I ain't even know how, cause I got a lot of people hating on me right now. I'm like swoosh on the kush, niggas sparking right now. Got some bitches on the low, so it be really going down. Oh, now, goddamn, shit will never be the same. Fresh O's at my shows, faded on the airplanes. I be dabbing when I'm rapping, smoking, I be drinking. You can find me at the trap, pounds wrapped in my lap. But that's,
I mean, that's no, the ultimate combination. Like you're smoking and then you're drinking. I mean, mapafade ka talaga, no?
it's enough about that. Let the money come back. I'm getting high off flight and smoke death all night. Drop a verse on sight, fucking higher than.
Ooh, high on flight and smoking death all night.
I'm getting high off flight and smoke death all night. Drop a verse on sight, fucking
Drop a verse on site.
higher than light. Just got an ounce in the mail, so nigga, we gon' be alright.
Oh, that's Andrew. Alright. Sounds like a old school type shit, man. Okay.
Pag hindi mo talaga ito pinlalo, lalo na parang freestyle na hindi kinabisado. Kasi pag masarap ang amat ng tao, ganyan talaga kahit ikay magtago sa sarili mong mga multo.
Is this a freestyle, man? This sounds like a, Looney's freestyle. Naalala nyo yung video ni Looney nag-freestyle siya. Napakalupit, man. Ilang beses ko pinapanood yun.
Lalo na parang freestyle na hindi kinabisado. Kasi pag masarap ang amat ng tao, ganyan talaga kahit ikay magtago sa sarili mong mga multo. Ito ang sagot ko sa mga tanong mo. Ikay mapapa-oo na lang, pwede ka ring mapahindi. Pero masarap gumagapang hanggang sa may binti. Ganyan talaga.
I mean, this is a fucking freestyle, man. I know this is a fucking freestyle. Man,
ring mapahindi, pero masarap gumagapang hanggang sa may binti. Ganyan talaga kapag ang push ay hindi ka, di ka na makakagalaw pa at sumindi pa ng isa. Sapagkat ang joint ay masarap, lalong-lalo na kapag ang amoy ay nalanghap. Ako'y napaparap na mabilis, pwede mabagal. Teka lang ngayon, bakit parang kamay na bakal ang ginamit ko para matapos lang itong bersikulo? Kilala nyo naman kasi ang inyong idolo.
That's a fucking freestyle, no? Yung verse na yun is mas maganda pang verse sa like 80% ng mga artists ngayon. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Wala pang mga matang nakatutok sa atin. Puspusan ng pasumingaw mula sa langit. Ang kakaibang pusok sa hangin.
Oh. What the hell?
Pasumingaw mula sa langit. Ang kakaibang pusok sa hangin.
Ang meaning pa ng Kush, kasi may dot eh. So, abbreviation, KUSH, is kakaibang usok sa hangin. Am I reaching? What the hell?
Ipasa mo na sa akin, naghihintay ako, wag mo kong paasahin. Magsama ka ng chicks, magdala ka ng alak at pagkain ng hapin natin ng kakaibang usok sa hangin.
Yeah. Oh my God, what the hell?
DP, sige na sindi sa dilim. Mag-ingat lang baka may parak na nakatingin. Pero huwag mo na lang pansinin pagkat ito ay libre. Sige kagatin mo na ito na parang tigre sa kagubatan. Hindi ko nga pala ito sinulatan. Pero
This is also a fucking freestyle, man. Fucking goats, man.
pinapuyatan kahit san pa, Manila hanggang California. Si Aling Tonya yumaman kakatinda ng amonya. Sa badminton napakataas ng istorya. Kahit patakpan to ng kurtina, ako'y magrarap kahit buhok maputi na. Ito nga pala para bang si Katrina, yung ipo-ipo magkakanda hilo-hilo. Kahit pa saan, gamit ng kamao, kahit na mga haters, sobra laba ko.
Ipasa mo na sa akin.
I mean, I just imagine them, no? Recording this song na sobrang high, man. That's fucking awesome, man. Fucking awesome.
Sasakay habang wala pang mga matang nakatutok sa atin. Husbong sa lupa, sumingaw mula sa langit ang kakaibang usok sa hangin.
Hey.
Ipasa mo na sa akin, naghihintay ako, wag mo kong paasahin. Magsama ka ng chicks, magdala ka ng alak at pagkain ng hapin natin ng kakaibang usok sa hangin. Ipasa mo na sa akin,
God damn.
sasakay habang wala pang mga matang nakatutok sa atin. Husbong sa lupa, sumingaw mula sa langit ang kakaibang usok sa hangin. Ipasa mo na sa akin, naghihintay ako, wag mo kong paasahin. Magsama ka ng chicks, magdala ka ng alak at pagkain ng hapin natin ng kakaibang usok sa hangin.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Alright, that is Looney, no? Kasama si Dunk, Puffs, Apex, and Ron Henley. That is Kush. KUSH. Kakaibang usok sa hangin. Man, kakaibang usok sa hangin. Fuck, that song is fucking amazing, no? Hindi siya ganun ka sobrang, sobrang, para ba sabihin to? Like, yung lyrics niya is mind-blowing, na parang kailangan mong, i-break down every line, every bar. Wala masyadong ganon, no? But just to think of it as a song na parang freestyle lahat, man. Fucking impressive, right? Fucking impressive. But yeah, we also have this like old school hip hop vibe or elements of song. So, man, pinaalala sa atin ni Looney na malupit din talaga siya mag-freestyle, no? Of course, Apex as well. And Dunk Puffs, man. But yeah, that is our reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-sabitin yung artist, man, sa yung rappers, yung direct tayo dyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome and peace.